Welcome to Motivated.
Hey, all you beautiful people. This is Motivated. Kids Motivated. We are the Korffies. Today we're going to be teaching you how to do the bottle flip. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we have to get the right bottle. The perfect bottle, we had a lot of tests with different bottles, and the Halo bottle worked the best. So the best one is to get a Halo bottle, and you can get a different cap if the one that opens doesn't work very well to you. Then you can just get any cap that's the same size. There's like this kind of cap.
This kind of cap?
Yes, there's a lot of different caps you can use. Most caps work, but some are too tiny and some are too big. So now time to get the right water amount. So the right water amount is just over this line. To make it extra perfect, you put it on an angle, then you let it go. You shouldn't go too far, otherwise and you shouldn't go too little, then it's going to land. So just make it like in between, like then you just leave it. Then if it goes up straight, you have a good bottle. If it falls down, you have either too much water or too little. And now let's get on to the floor. We said you have to push a little down and you have to have a good flick of the wrist.
If we don't push a little down, it's also going to go over the table.
And then it's going to just go off of the table, or it's going to fall and go somewhere like this. Sorry everyone, sorry. So now you're going to practice more and more at home or wherever you want to practice. Then you're going to practice until you get 3 in a row. Like that. But then you're going to practice to do 10 in a row. Luca? So Luca now shows how to do 10 bottle flips in a row. So here's that, okay.